introduce the members of the NAAC team.
Up next, we would like to present to you an enactment of the enchanting story of Tualvungi and Zawlpala.
What greater tragedy is there in life when you have lost the only love that keeps you alive? This is a tragic love story of Tualvungi and Zawlpala, of time immemorial, whose names will forever be engraved in the hearts of all Mizos. Tualvungi and Zawlpala were newlyweds who were deeply in love. They could not take their eyes off each other. Zawlpala was immensely proud of his wife's beauty and loved and adored her intensely. They spent their time together in mirth and laughter. All seemed well and secure in the world of the lovers.
One day, a cruel king named Phuntiha from a neighboring land who was captivated by Tualvungi's beauty offered a proposal of marriage. Zawlpala, fearing for their lives, claimed Tualvungi was his sister. When Phuntiha inquired about her bride price, Zawlpala demanded stupendous amount of wealth, hoping that he would be unable to fulfill the demand.
She was gone. He had given her up. It was his fault, he knew, and in endless sorrow, his health slowly deteriorated. He died heartbroken and alone. Now the animals of the great jungle flocked together to mourn Zawlpala. As they lamented over his death, they began to hold a discussion on who shall break the news to Tualvungi. The tiger asked for volunteers, and everyone but the wood pigeon wanted to be chosen. The tiger began to ask some of the animals as to how they would convey the news. The raven replied, the crab replied, I. The tiger was not satisfied. He shook his head in exasperation and raised the same question once again. This time the wood pigeon volunteered. It was asked how it would address Tualvungi, and the little wood pigeon sang its heart out. It Its performance so pleased them that they elected it to be the bearer of the tragic news. It rose off on swift wings to deliver the tragic message. Weakened and fatigued from her long journey and her wound, Tualvungi's spirit broke down at the sight of Zawlpala's grave. She slumped to the ground and succumbed to the cold hands of death. Even after death, their love remained eternal. The spirits of Zawlpala and Tualvungi turned into two beautiful butterflies. Unwilling to lose his hold over the lovers, Phuntiha too sacrificed his life and also turned into an ugly black butterfly. He persistently flew after them, and this is why today, a beautiful butterfly couple flying together are always followed by the third black butterfly behind them, never quite catching up.